12 job search hacks that takes 5 minutes or less. Proactively, just reach out to people everywhere you can. Reach out on your social media, reach out on LinkedIn, reach out and wherever you can, and let them know you are looking for a job. Number 2, update your social media profiles, making sure you mention in your profile that you are currently looking for a job. Number 3, take a break from everything so your mind can be fresh and your mind can actually think clearly. Number 4, research your salary. Make sure that when you are going for an interview, you negotiate your salary properly. And the way to find out is on Indeed.com. Number 5, declutter ruthlessly. Declutter everything that you can in your home. Make sure that your mind is organized. Number 6, reach out to referrals. Ask them for help and ask them that you are looking for a job and if they can refer you to their company. Number 7, manage your calendar. Make sure that you are not overbooking your interviews and that you have ample of time to travel to the interview. Number 8, figure out and define your next step. Number 9, grow your network. The more people you know, the faster you can get a job. Number 10, touch base with everyone, with your interviewer, with your network, with your referrals. Touch base with them. Number 11, set up job alerts so you can get daily emails about new jobs are opening up for you to actually sign up. So Indeed.com does the better job. Just sign up with them, upload your resume there, create a profile, and then you're going to receive job alerts in your email. Number 12, the last one, you can research a company and see if that company is good for you. Research a company also to know about them. So when they ask you some questions, you know exactly what they're talking about. You're not going to ask them questions and you're not going to look stupid in front of them. Good luck on your job search. I hope to learn more about you. Let me know in the comments how it went. Thanks for watching this video. I would love to invite you to be part of my community where you are a member as a candidate chat room. Upon joining, you will receive tons of information. You will receive templates, ebooks, products, tips, advice, strategies, and weekly emails where you can actually ace your interview, build your career from ground up, and get promoted as needed. You can also ask any questions that you want, and I will be able to answer to my members first and then to my YouTube community. The link to join is in the description. I'm going to see you in the candidate chat room forum.